Hello guys, this is Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a case study with you on how a simple dropshipping store is able to generate over $40,000 on a monthly basis and how this website have been able to generate over $500,000 within a year. Now in this video case study, you will learn how you can replicate the same strategy used on this website for your own dropshipping website, or use it as a template to launch your own dropshipping business. Now the video was actually done by Holisia, one of the AliDropship team, so I'm going to include a video and let her show you how this is done and how you can replicate this same strategy for your own dropshipping business. But before then, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please, I want you to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Alicia, and in this video I'm going to be doing a case study on a highly successful dropshipping store called Buy It Carl that brings us around $40,000 in sales per month, sometimes over $2,000 in a single day. I will show you how we reached such results in a short period of time, step by step. So if you are interested, keep watching. In this case study you will learn how to make your product page convert your store visitors into buyers, how to promote your products via Facebook using our winning multi-step advertising strategy, how to get an exact same copy of the store that makes over $10,000 per week. And without further ado, let's get started. I want to start this case study by giving you a little overview about Buy It Carl, its website layout, products, and some performance data. Let's look at website itself so that you can get an idea on how it looks. This is a general store that sells everything from phone accessories to household decor, clothing, and pet stuff. Despite the fact that a lot of e-commerce gurus recommend their audiences to go for niche store because they are easier to market, general stores have a huge advantage over them, which is flexibility. It means that you can add any winning product to your store at any time and start promoting it right away without creating a new niche store appropriate for it. For Buy It Carl's theme, we used El Greco, one of the newest AliDropship themes for WordPress stores. It has a minimalistic look that is stylish yet fully optimized for e-commerce business. The first thing you'll see on the homepage is this big slider. There are 3 bright banners created by our talented designer. Each of them leads to different product sections: bestsellers, new arrivals, and best deals. We'll talk about them a bit later. Above, you can find product categories for easy website navigation. As for the logo, we decided to leave it simple but vivid. There is the name of our store and a tiny shopping cart inside a heart, symbolizing an infinite love for shopping. Let's scroll down a little bit, where you will see the most popular categories on the site, represented by 3 banners. The next block down is Best Deals. Store's theme automatically finds products with the highest discounts and places them in this section. The next block is called Just Arrived. It showcases the newest goods in your inventory, displaying them by import date. The last section here is called Trending Now. As the name suggests, this section automatically selects products with the highest number of orders to show what is popular in your store. The last section on the homepage shows brand values and satisfaction guarantees to instill deep trust and confidence in buying from the store. So now let's analyze one of the most successful product pages on our store. In just 7 days, this exact product earned more than $3,000 in sales. Of course, this wouldn't be possible without our expert Facebook ad strategy, which I'll share with you a bit later. So, how do we ensure that our product pages are built to convert? First of all, high-quality product images are crucial. It's widely known that people perceive 80% of information through their eyes. So, visual content that shows your product in vivid detail is crucial. Product titles need to be simple and clear. As you know, AliExpress goods often have weird titles, which is why you must always change them to something more straightforward, yet descriptive of the product. In our case, we changed this item's original name to a simple phrase consisting of 4 words: magnetic absorption iPhone case. Short and clear titles work best because people understand what they are looking at right away. Discounts that entice. Here customers can see the previous price before discount, the discount itself, and how much money they can actually save. An exact sum of money always works best, and it's more enticing than a vague percentage. Product descriptions that reel people in. In the description for the phone case, we mentioned all the benefits our customers can get: easy installation, privacy security, full phone protection, and so on. It's very important to demonstrate a product in action so that our visitors can see how it looks from different angles and how to properly use it. In the bottom, we placed a call to action line. Finally, we made sure the description displays well on mobile, since a large percentage of purchases are mobile-based. Customer reviews. After the description, customers can see reviews left by previous buyers and the product's overall rating. Reviews are crucial for any product page, as the majority of potential customers consider them before making their final decision about the purchase. Reviews with photos are the best source of information because you can see how the product actually looks like in real life. And one last thing that is very important. Page speed load plays a critical role in converting visitors into buyers. When someone clicks an ad, he or she expects to quickly look the page through, but if loading takes too long, visitors will just close it. People are very impatient, and I bet you all do this. So, to make our product page load faster, we compressed all the images we have on the page. The size of the page should not exceed 3 megabytes. Each of these steps improved our product page and significantly increased the conversion rate. Of course, a product page cannot make a lot of money by itself, but optimizing it is absolutely a must if you want to make your ads more efficient. Otherwise, you will just risk losing a lot of money. Facebook advertising strategy. Now, let's move on to our Facebook marketing strategy that gave us amazing results. I'll show you what exactly we did and why. Our advertising strategy consists of 3 main stages. 1. Creative testing. 2. Finding the best lookalike audiences and audiences based on interests. 3. Launching highly convertible retargeting campaigns. We start off with creative testing to find out which ad we have created is the most high-performing. People often skip this step, but it's really important to have more than one creative at the beginning to be able to test different videos and select only top-performing ones. And yes, we use video creatives throughout the promotional process because they are more engaging and give us best results. So what we do is find and create 3, 4, or more promo videos for the product we have chosen. For editing, we usually use Animoto, which is an easy-to-use online software for video editing with 0 previous experience required. I promise you that anyone can create a short video using this program, but you can also order videos like that, for example. It doesn't cost too much because your video ads need to be short. 15 to 30 seconds is more than enough. When our videos are ready, we post them with the pre-made ad copies on the Facebook business page that belongs to our store. Our ad copies should be short, eye-catching, and appealing to the problem this product solves. We use emojis, offer discounts, and add some sense of urgency. Once our videos are posted, it's time to give them a little boost and see which one performs the best. We call it initial creative testing. To do that, we launch a page post engagement campaign, or PPE, which aims to attract people's attention to your videos and to generate views, likes, comments, and shares at low cost. Using a PPE campaign is the best and the cheapest way to test creatives against each other to see if people are engaged by your creatives or not. We need a PPE campaign not only for testing purposes, but also for social proof and data collection that lets Facebook better optimize its algorithms. These posts will be used in our further conversion campaigns, and it's essential to make them look trustworthy and appealing. Here are some basic rules we follow. 1 ad per ad set. If we test 4 creatives within one campaign, we'll have to create 4 ad sets for each ad. $5 to $10 daily budget per ad set. $10 to $15 ad spend per ad set is enough to get sufficient data. So, once our ad sets collect some data, we will need to kill all the losing ads and leave our winner or winners running. What metrics do we pay attention to when deciding on the winning creative? Number of add to carts, checkouts, and purchases. Unique CTR, the higher the better. Cost per unique link click. Obviously, the cheaper, the better. Video average play time. Percent of people who watched the video till the end. 10% is good. 30 to 50% is great, especially if your videos are 20 to 40 seconds long. We make our decision on the best creatives to use for our ad campaigns based on the key metrics I just mentioned. We want to leave the highest performing winner running, and other ad creatives should be discarded so we don't waste our budget in vain. One important thing to mention: we do not expect sales at this point. PPE campaigns are optimized to generate as much engagement as possible. If your PPEs bring you purchases, that's a great sign, but it doesn't happen all the time, and we are perfectly fine with it. Next, we tested single interest and lookalike audiences based on video views, and again chose the best one for further scaling. To be more precise, we launched 2 more campaigns with conversions as the objective and chose purchases as the main goal. Within one of those campaigns, we tested single interests against each other to find the most profitable ones, just the way we tested creatives earlier. The main rule here: 1 interest per 1 ad set. Another campaign within the data collection phase was created to test segments of the 95% video views lookalike audience that we were able to generate after the initial creatives testing. For all ad sets in those 2 campaigns, we used our top performing creatives. Pay attention here, the same Facebook posts. We do this because we don't want to lose all the engagement the post already accumulated. For the interest testing, we chose 10 plus interests suitable for our products. Sometimes to determine those interests, we used Facebook audience insights, but more often it's just common sense. You never know which interest will work better. That's why we need to test at least 10 of them. So test 1 interest with a $10 budget per ad set and use your top performing ad for best results. To determine the most profitable interest, we'll need to run this campaign at least for 3 days so that Facebook can optimize its algorithms properly. After that, we kill all the underperforming ad sets and leave the high-performing ones running. The key metrics we pay attention to when deciding on the winning ad set are: number of add to carts and cost per 1 add to cart, number of checkouts and cost per 1 checkout, and number of purchases and cost per 1 purchase. It's easy. The more and the cheaper your purchases are, the better. If we don't have enough conversions, we'll leave our campaign running for a couple more days. We always look for consistent patterns in our ads. 1 purchase doesn't always mean that this ad set is good enough to continue running. It could be by chance, but if our ad set generated several purchases at a reasonable cost, then we can consider it as potentially successful. The next step is getting rid of the underperforming interests. And for our winning ad set, we increase the budget. Remember, testing interest-based audiences isn't the only way we find profitable audiences. We also test lookalikes of different kinds, starting with 95% video views lookalike audiences. Why? Because they're easy and fast to generate. During the initial creatives testing, we collected the audience of 95% video viewers. Those are the people who watched our video till the end or almost till the end. This tells us that this group of people might be really interested in our product. We can use this data to generate a custom audience and then a lookalike audience. So, for example, let's say our audience consists of 2,000 people who watched our video until the end. It is called a custom audience. 2,000 people is not enough to scale your promotional campaigns, so we can create a lookalike audience based on it. Lookalike audiences consist of people that share similar traits with those in your custom audience. We always segment lookalikes by the percentage of similarity between the lookalike and custom audiences and test those segments against each other. And that's exactly what we did this time. We got 5 different lookalike segments: 1%, 1 to 2%, 2 to 3%, 3 to 4%, and 4 to 5%. We launched a campaign to test which one works better, just the way we did with our interests. 1 segment per ad set, top creatives everywhere, at least 3 days for testing. The optimization process was exactly the same, eliminating underperformers and increasing budget on well-performing ad sets. Retargeting. When we collect enough data, we launch our favorite type of Facebook campaigns, retargeting ones. Retargeting is a form of advertising that helps you to reach people who have already taken some kind of action on your website or on your social media pages. These ads are highly convertible because they bring warm and hot audiences back to your store. To launch retargeting ads, we need to primarily collect enough data on our Facebook pixel and to create custom audiences beforehand. So, what kind of audiences do we use? Video viewers, 95%, 30 days. People who visited specific pages, page of the product we promote, 30 days. Visitors by time spent, 5%, 10%, 25%, 30 days. View content, add to cart, initiate checkout, 30 days. And purchases, 90 days. Launching retargeting is very easy. We choose the conversions objective, set purchases as an optimization goal, choose one of the custom audiences, then leave the other targeting settings blank. That's one of our hot retargeting ads. As you can see, the return on ad spend reached 300%, which is amazing. So you can understand now the sense of our ad strategy. We gradually test and optimize all the important elements of our Facebook campaigns to get the best creatives, best audiences, and demographics to target to. All this information can be pretty overwhelming as we went into a lot of technical detail today. Take our step-by-step strategy and you'll definitely see how drastically your Facebook advertising performance improved. Oh, and one very exciting important thing left. In the beginning of this case study, I promised to tell you how you can get an exact copy of the Buy It Carl website that generates $40,000 in sales per month. Exact same copy of the store I just showed you with all the profitable products, optimized product pages, and user-friendly website layout, all done by our team of professionals. Most importantly, if you add our marketing package to your order, you can get all the promotional materials we used to get such amazing sales figures. This means that you'll get same ad copies, creatives, interests, and demographic targeting that worked for us. To get this valuable information, we spent thousands of dollars on testing, and you can get it all in a couple of clicks. You will also get our detailed Facebook marketing guide, where you can find step-by-step instructions on how to launch campaigns according to the strategy I shared with you today. You can buy a copy of the successful Buy It Carl store and install your website yourself, or you can add the installation package to your order and let our team of professionals do all the work for you. Want to learn more? Click the link down below. I hope you learned something new and the video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and bye!